Welcome to another episode of Quick Tips with Kris. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at the best way to update TBC by first uninstalling the old version using the Trimble Office Cleanup tool. So to get the Trimble Office Cleanup utility, the first thing we need to do is open a browser, and then I'm going to search Trimble Business Center, and we'll go to that, and from here we need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. We'll come back up just a little bit, and we're going to go here under Product Resources. We're going to go to Support Documentation and Downloads. And from here, we'll come down to Trimble Business Center and then Downloads. Next, we'll go to Trimble Business Center Utilities License and Installation Support. And we're going to scroll down to Installation Utilities and the Trimble Office Cleanup Utility. We'll click here, and then once it downloads, we'll just click Open File, tell it yes. Once the widget comes up, we'll hit Next. Next, next, and install. Then finish. Now we can close the browser, and we'll go to All Apps, and we'll go to Trimble Office, and here's the cleanup utility. Open it up, we'll tell it yes. So there's two different versions here. You've got the quick version that's we're actually going to run, and there's the advanced version. With the advanced version, you can take different parts and pieces off of Trimble Business Center, but we're not going to worry about that. I'm just going to go to the quick and run the full cleaning. Takes a little bit of time to run through this, and through the magic of video editing, we can see that we're now done, and we can close the Trimble Office Cleanup utility. Next, since we've already downloaded TBC, we can go back to Downloads, go into the full setup, and click on the setup link to start the install. For this, we'll tell it yes, and me personally, I prefer to let everything load at its default location. So next, I'm going to accept the license agreement and tell it next. Now we have to click up here on Trimble Business Center. I'll leave this font just like it is. And here, you kind of need to take a look at what type of work you're doing and what version of TBC you have. I'm going to turn off the ANZ toolbox. We can come here under Data Management, and look, I'm going to turn off Tablet Sync and External Services. I'm going to leave Sync Manager since I do use that. Field Machine Data. I'm going to turn everything off except for the configuration toolbox. Probably don't need that, but I just like to leave it there. And then if you're not working with mobile mapping or point clouds, I suggest you turn those off as well. So we can hit Next and Install, and it's going through the installation process. And that's about all there is to it. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching another Quick Tips with Kris.